products I have in my makeup kit, and also at the end of the video I'm going to suggest you products that you should definitely have in your makeup kit as a beginner. And don't worry, they are all affordable products, so you don't have to worry about anything. And yeah, so I basically store all my makeup in this clear pouch. I got this one from Max and I really love this because it's clear and you can definitely see what's there inside, and you can quickly pick when you're in hurry. So basically I store all my makeup products in these 3 pouches. Now talking about this one, I have all my favorite products in this pouch. Like if I'm running late, I can quickly bring this and I have everything that I need. Now the second pouch is all my makeup brushes and all the miscellaneous stuffs like my eyelash curler and stuffs. And now this last pouch is all my babies. It is all my lipsticks and lip balms. Like not all my lipsticks, but definitely the lipsticks I use on a daily basis, or maybe my favorite ones. So yeah, also along with that I have these 2 eye palettes. These are actually my favorite eye palettes and both are by Makeup Revolution only. This one is actually the colored palette, like it has all the reds and pinks and oranges. And this one is actually a blend of all colors. So yeah, these 2 are my favorite, and with these 2 palettes I can create any look that I want. Okay, so the first thing that you see when looking into my makeup pouch are these bunch of brushes. These are all my favorite brushes and I'm going to take you through this later. First I'll be showing you all my makeup products that I have in this huge pouch. Also I'm going to tell you all the products that you should have as a beginner, so stay tuned till the end. And I'm going to take you through this pouch first. I have all my favorite makeup products in this pouch except my lipsticks and my eye palette. Also, starting from the face, I have this primer by Colorbar. It's the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer and it retails for ₹825, which is not too much. And Nykaa पे काफी सारे offers होते हैं, so you can get this at a very lower rate, around 600-650. And this is actually amazing, guys. And I just finished this one. Like थोड़ी सी quantity बाकी होगी बस. And this is my absolute favorite, guys. You just have to take this much, and you are supposed to put it over here and here and also over here if you have pore issues over there. And with this primer you won't see any more oxidized foundation, and this is gonna keep your makeup on for hours, guys. So definitely try this one. It's my favorite, and I would definitely recommend this to you. So yeah, now the next 2 products are face moisturizers, and I keep switching between these 2 face moisturizers. So this one is by Garnier. It's the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream, and the next one is by Mamaearth. It's the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. So this one actually retails for ₹599 and this one is for ₹150 only. I actually have the chopu size, so it retails for ₹150 only. Trust me, guys, trust me on this. Blending your foundation इसके साथ is really easy. Earlier when I used to use different moisturizers, blend करना foundation को काफी ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता था. But the day I started using this moisturizer and also this one, blending काफी ज़्यादा smooth हो गया. And after blending आपका foundation आपके skin के साथ properly mix हो जाता है when you are using moisturizers like these 2. Now talking about the second one, which is Mamaearth. It's the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. It has vitamin C and turmeric. So guys, if you find it expensive like $599, अगर आपको expensive लगता है तो you can definitely go for this one. ये तो obviously मेरा favorite, my holy grail and my best product है. But then अगर आप थोड़ा invest करना चाहो skin care के लिए तो you can definitely use this one. ये भी आपके foundation को काफी अच्छे से glide करता है. Like I have used this one today and I don't think so मेरा makeup कहीं से भी cakey लग रहा है. काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे से blend हो चुका है. So you can definitely try this one. And also it has multiple benefits and I'm gonna make a separate video. Also guys, the price and the link will be given in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Now the next thing is foundation, and for foundation I have 3 recommendations for you. One is by Maybelline Fit Me. It's the Maybelline Fit Me range foundation and I'm in the shade Warm Honey in that, which is shade number 322 if I'm not wrong. I actually can't find that bottle, maybe I lost it somewhere during shifting. And the next recommendation is again by Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. It's the 24-hour full coverage foundation and it retails for ₹750. And I am in the shade Sun Beige, which is shade number 3110. And the last foundation recommendation is by Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and I am in the shade Golden Beige again. Now I'm going to tell you the basic difference between these 3 foundations. I don't know why people rave about Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि वो बिल्कुल भी blend नहीं होता आपकी स्किन के साथ. I don't know why, कितना भी moisturizer use कर लो. Now talking about these 2 foundations, these 2 my actually super favorite foundations, but 2 different reasons है. एक practical reason है and like for this foundation is something जो आप रोज लगा सकते हो even if you are going out, and you know वो केकी लुक नहीं आएगी. And you know honestly speaking फाउंडेशन लगाकर बाहर जाना is not at all possible. वो बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिकल मुझे तो नहीं लगता. But with this foundation you can definitely do that. हाँ, make sure कि आपके स्किन के साथ मैच करता हो, ना लाइटर हो ना डार्कर शेड हो फाउंडेशन का. So yeah, you can check that over here. यहाँ पे आप डेफिनेटली अपना फाउंडेशन लगाकर चेक कर सकते हो. एंड विद दिस फाउंडेशन ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा यू नो ड्यूई इफेक्ट देता है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्लोई इफेक्ट देता है. एंड दिस इज गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल. बट देन इसके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है कि यू नो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्राइट कर देता है फेस को. तो फोटोज़ के लिए काफ़ी परफेक्ट है, फोटोज़ एंड वीडियोज़ के लिए. बट देन यू नो अगर आपको बाहर जाना हो तो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ द अप्रोप्रिएट फाउंडेशन फॉर दैट. बट सिंस मुझे वीडियो शूट करने तो मुझे पिक्चर्स लेनी होती है, या you know Instagram के लिए you can definitely use this foundation. And I don't know about others guys, but with Maybelline Fit Me foundation वो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा oily and patchy look देता है. So going out with that foundation is not at all possible. And blending ही उसके साथ possible नहीं हो पाती थी, तो definitely मेरे तरफ से तो it's a big no. But yeah, if you want you can try that, because you know I've heard bloggers raving about that foundation, so definitely you can try that. But yeah, मुझे personally वो foundation बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. But if you want you can definitely try that, because उसके भी काफ़ी अच्छे reviews मैंने सुने हैं. And that is why you know I bought that. But मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होने लगी उस फाउंडेशन के साथ, so I switched to this one by Wet n Wild. Now इसके साथ काफ़ी बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये प्रॉपरली ब्लेंड हो जाता है. बिकॉज आई हैव ऑयली स्किन गाइज, दिस फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड्स रियली वेल विद माई स्किन एज इट इज़ अ मैट फाउंडेशन. एंड यू नो it's the best foundation I have used so far. Like before the Superstay foundation I used to depend on this one only, and I really love this one. And the only drawback is that इसकी जो स्मेल है वो एसी टोन की तरह है, तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो सकती है. सो या बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस फाउंडेशन, आई लव दिस फाउंडेशन फॉर डिफरेंट प्रैक्टिकल रीजन. आप कंसील भी कर सकते हो अपना आई एरिया, एंड विद दिस फाउंडेशन यू डेफिनेटली डोंट नीड अ कंसीलर गाइज. एंड यू नो इसको लगाकर आप डेफिनेटली बाहर जा सकते हो विदाउट इवन लुकिंग ऑयली एंड पैची एंड यू नो केकी. सो या डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन एंड ऑल्सो दिस वन. Now the next thing in my bag is this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact guys. It's the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact and I am in the shade Shell, and it retails for ₹150 guys. And इससे ज़्यादा affordable you know compact मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा जो इतना अच्छा वर्क करता हो. So I basically use this over my foundation, and also you know मुझे कभी you know कहीं और जाना होता है जहाँ पे मुझे फाउंडेशन यूज़ नहीं करना होता, I just use my sunscreen and उसके ऊपर I top it up with this. So yeah, I really love this compact guys, and it's my go-to compact. मैं कहीं भी जाऊँ I definitely make sure to carry this one. And you know ये आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा natural effect देता है, so you don't have to worry about you know looking cakey. And I've been using this compact from past 3 to 4 years if I'm not wrong. And you know it gives you that sheer effect and natural effect, and you know आपका face बिल्कुल भी cakey नहीं लगता. So yeah, definitely give this a try. Now the next two products in my makeup kit are these two highlighters, and I love both these highlighters for two different reasons that I'm going to tell you now. So this one is by Revlon. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Skin Light Highlighter, and it's in the shade Pink Light, and it retails for ₹850. And the next one is actually my favorite. I literally live in this. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Rose Gold Palette, and this retails for I think 400 or something. Yeah. So I actually love these two highlighters a lot. I use this for my face because you know मुझे वो chunky highlighters बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद, and ये मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा natural है. Now this Revlon highlighter, I use this for my body actually. I use it over here on the shoulders and also on my collarbones to highlight them. And I also mix this with my body lotion to you know give that dewy and glowy effect on my body, like on my hands and on my legs also. So yeah, you can definitely try this. And as a beginner, I think you should definitely have this Makeup Revolution's Shimmer Brick Rose Gold Palette. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है गाइज, एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम तक लास्ट करता है. मुझे खुद याद नहीं मैं इसको कब से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड आई लिटरली bathe in this highlighter, but I haven't hit the pan yet. Can you see? So yeah, this is my favorite. So these two are my highlighter recommendations guys. You can definitely give these two a try, and if not the Revlon one, you should definitely give this a try. Now the next few products in my makeup kit are 3 of my favorite concealers, and you might have guessed by now. Yes guys, the first one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and it's actually a orange corrector. If you have super dark circles, you can definitely use this one. The next one is another favorite of mine. I don't like the Fit Me foundation, but I definitely love the Fit Me concealer. It blends like magic without you know giving that cakey look. And the last one is my holy grail. Actually, it has become my holy grail concealer. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I really love this one, guys. It is really good for people जो normal days में भी conceal करके जाते हैं अपना eye area because उनको काफी ज़्यादा dark circles होते हैं. So ये बिल्कुल भी केकी look नहीं देता, and it just blends with your skin magically. So yeah, definitely try this one. And I've also reviewed this concealer in my December Nykaa haul. I'll leave the link down below or maybe on the I button. So please don't forget to check that out. Now talking about these three concealers. In Maybelline, I'm in the shade Sand Sable, which is shade number 20. And in Instant Age Rewind, it's medium, which is shade number 130. And I really love these two concealers, guys. ये काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. Concealer is supposed to be very light. It is supposed to be very easy to use. Also, it should blend really well and does not leave any white cast. And with these two concealers, you won't be complaining about that. So if I had to rate these two concealers, I would definitely give this concealer a 9 and this one a 6.5 or maybe a 7 because they work really well, guys. Definitely give them a try. And as a beginner, if you don't want to buy many products, you can definitely go for this Age Rewind concealer. And trust me, guys, you won't regret and you will definitely thank me later for this. Now we are going to move on to eyes, and for eyes मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important है this baby right here, which is a mascara. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, guys, and मेरे लिए mascara काफी ज़्यादा important है. And I don't have the waterproof one because उसको निकालना is actually a pain, guys. काफी ज़्यादा painful होता है उसको remove करना. So I go for this one, and it retails for rupees 400 something if I am not wrong. I'll leave the link down below. Now my favorite thing about this mascara is the shape of its wand. It's actually very comfortable to use, guys, and when I put it on, it gets in very easily, guys, and it also separates your lashes, which is very important. काफी ज़्यादा messy लगने लगता है when you use mascaras that don't separate your lashes. It also holds the curl really well. Like काफी ज़्यादा आज के लिए आपके curls को hold करता है, and it is also very easy to remove. As you know, I don't have the waterproof one, so please definitely go for this one rather than the waterproof one क्योंकि ये काफी ज़्यादा comfortable होता है remove करने के लिए. And also I have noticed with this mascara in particular, guys, that when you put this on your lower lash line, काफी ज़्यादा products रह जाते हैं वहाँ पे and काफी ज़्यादा बुरा दिखता है. And with this mascara, you definitely are not gonna face that. काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे से ये आपके upper lash line और lower lash line को cover करता है without leaving the product over there. तो काफी ज़्यादा comfortable होता है इसको use करना. Now the next few products are eye products again, and I have 3 eyeliner recommendations for you guys. The first one is the very common one. It's the Lakme Insta Liner, and it retails for rupees 70 or maybe 100 rupee or something. The next one is by Lakme. It's the Lakme 925 Black Impact Eyeliner, and the last one is actually my favorite. It's the Color Bar Ultimate Black Eyeliner, and it retails for rupees 400 something. This one is for rupees 200 something. And what I love about these 3 eyeliners are इसका color is really good, like proper black color होता है इनका. Talking about this one, you guys already know this is my favorite eyeliner. It's my go-to eyeliner. Actually मुझे कहीं भी जाना होता है, and if I want to put eyeliner, I definitely go for this one. But then अगर मेरे पास थोड़ा ज़्यादा time होता है, I go for this sketch eyeliner. Guys, sketch eyeliner लगाना मेरे लिए is a struggle. मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा difficulty होती है. Maybe मेरा eye area moisturized नहीं रहता, काफ़ी ज़्यादा dry है इसीलिए. But then this eyeliner is actually very good, guys. And ये आपको proper cat eye look के लिए you can definitely go for this eyeliner. But with this liner इसको use करना काफ़ी ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है because of the tip of its brush. काफ़ी ज़्यादा thick और weird सा इसका brush है. But then the liquid is really good, guys. इसकी consistency काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. And also the color is perfect, like the proper black color जो मुझे personally चाहिए. So what I generally do is मैं इसका brush use करती हूँ to apply this eyeliner. And out of all the 3 eyeliners, I am definitely gonna recommend you this eyeliner. But then if you don't wanna spend 400 to 500 rupees on an eyeliner, you can definitely go for this Lakme Insta Liner. Trust me, guys, it is the best. And as a beginner, I think इससे ज़्यादा better eyeliner आपके लिए कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Now the next product is a brow pencil. It's the Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil, and it is actually very creamy and very nice, guys. And इसका color is kind of grayish, proper black नहीं है, तो pop out नहीं होते आपके eyebrows. And ये इसका usual size नहीं है, guys. It comes till here, and मैंने इसको use करके actually finish कर दिया. It's about to get over now, and मैं इसको काफ़ी टाइम से use कर रही हूँ actually. And इसका color is grey, तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा blend हो जाता है आपके eyebrows के साथ. And pop out नहीं होता आपका eyebrows, which is a good part. So you're supposed to sharpen this tip like a pencil, and you do not necessarily need to have that proper sharpener जो eyebrows के लिए properly आते हैं. You can use any of your sharpeners for this, and you can cover this with a cap. इसके साथ एक cap भी मिलता है आपको, तो काफी ज़्यादा hygienic and अच्छा रहता है आपके लिए. Okay guys, so I'm quickly gonna go in with all the products because I feel like ये वीडियो काफी ज़्यादा long हो चुका है. So the last product in the eye category are these two eye palettes by Makeup Revolution, and because Makeup Revolution is my favorite brand, तो मैं definitely उनके eye palettes prefer करती हूँ. So the first one is actually the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, and it has all the reds and oranges and nude colors, तो काफी ज़्यादा convenient होता है ना. And I've actually hit the pan, guys. Can you see? Now the next one is the Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angel palette, and this one is again my favorite palette. It has all the colors, guys, and आपको कोई भी look create करना हो, you can go in with this palette, and you also get a mirror with this palette, तो काफी ज़्यादा convenient हो जाता है eye makeup करना आपके लिए. Talking about this particular palette, I really love this one because it has all the reds and browns and all the brick kind of colors that I love on my eyes. So you can see one of the colors, this color on my eye. I'll show you. Wait. So I've actually put this color on my eye today, and as you can see, I've hit the pan already because this is my favorite and I really love applying this one. And the next one is this Eyes Like Angel. It has all the wonderful colors, guys. It's got shimmers, it's got mattes, and it's got basically every color that you need to create any kind of look. And the best part is its pigmentation. In दोनों की pigmentation इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है that you'll fall for it. And yeah, these two palettes are really versatile, and especially this palette, guys. Now the next thing in my pouch are these. Oops, I forgot to show you these eye products. So the first one is actually a white kajal. The next one is my favorite black kajal. And the third one is actually an liquid eye shadow. It's by Swiss Beauty, and it is really very famous, guys, and I've seen bloggers raving about this liquid eye shadow, and this is what I've put today. This is really nice, guys, and it's very long lasting. Then I have this white kajal by Miss Claire, and it is supposed to make your eyes look bigger. And the last one that I have is by Plum. It's the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, and it is actually my favorite kajal, guys. Like out of all the kajals that I've ever used, the Maybelline ones or maybe the Lakme iconic one, this one is my very favorite, guys, and it retails for ₹400 something. I'll leave the link down below. And मुझे पता है काजल्स बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद वैसे तो, बट देन जब भी मुझे कभी यूज करना होता है डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस काजल. ये काफी ज्यादा ब्लैक है, गाइस. कैन यू सी? So yeah, so these were my last 3 eye products, and you can definitely go for this one if you are someone जिनको काफी ज्यादा difficulty होती है eye shadow लगाने के लिए. So you can go for this palette and this one. On normal days you can go for any of these colors, and जब कभी parties हो या फिर कोई special function हो, you can definitely top your eye shadow with this one. And it retails for ₹150 if I'm not wrong, and इसका shade भी I'll mention in the description box. Yeah, I'll mention in the description box. So yeah, now the next thing in this pouch is these are actually 2 of my favorite blushes. ये तो मैंने तोड़ दिया गलती से, but then this one is by Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the shade Mellow Wine, which is very famous, guys. And the next one is actually by Revlon. It's the Revlon Hot Pink, and it retails for ₹550, and this one is for I think 300 something. I'll leave the link down below for this. And this one is actually very everyday kind of shade, guys. You can definitely use this on normal days, in your office, or even if you're going college and you're someone who loves doing makeup to your college also, you can definitely go for this blush. And with this blush, it's actually very pink. So I think कि Indian wears के लिए, Indian outfits के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा complimenting होगा. So definitely go for this one. And अगर मुझे recommend करना हो as a beginner, तो I will definitely recommend you this one. Now the next product in my makeup pouch are these 2 products. So the first one is actually a sunscreen. ये वैसे तो makeup में count नहीं होता, but then this is something जिसके बिना I just cannot survive, and even in fact आपको भी sunscreen everyday use करना चाहिए. Even if you are at home, definitely use a sunscreen. And what you can do is if you are going out, you can use sunscreen below your CC cream or BB cream, or maybe your foundation. If you're putting foundation, do not forget to put a sunscreen, guys. And this one is by Lotus. It's the Lotus Safe Sun Matte 3-in-1 Daily Sunblock in SPF 40, I believe. and it retails for rupees 395. It's the bigger version. The last thing in this pouch is this makeup fixer by Wet n Wild, and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray, and this comes in 45 ml version, and it retails for rupees, it's not written over here but I'll leave the link down below so you can check that out, and it's actually very good guys. ये काफी ज़्यादा long lasting होता है, and you know ये freshen up कर देता है आपकी skin को, but the only downside is that guys इसका smell काफी ज़्यादा weird है, तो you know directly अगर आप face पे लगा रहे हो तो आपको काफी ज़्यादा irritation हो सकती है, but then मुझे कुछ problem नहीं होती. I am very comfortable with this, so yeah. Now moving on to the next pouch, this Face Shop का pouch where I store all my favorite current lipsticks, and I really love all the things that are there in this pouch. And you know I'm a lipstick girl guys. It's like मुझसे सारा makeup ले लो but ये मेरे पास रहने दो. I am that addicted to lipsticks guys. You know मैं कुछ भी लगाना भूल सकती हूँ but lipstick लगाना मैं कभी भी नहीं भूलती. So let me know in the comment section below if you are like me, a lipstick addict. Okay, so the first thing in this pouch is a lip balm by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm, and it retails for rupees 149, and it is very important guys, before you apply any lipstick, do not forget to apply a lip balm guys, especially when you're applying a matte lipstick. Do not forget to apply a lip balm. The first current favorite lipstick is by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Molten Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade Robin. I really love this shade guys, and what I generally do is I mix this shade with one of my Nykaa lipsticks. It's a bullet lipstick actually, and मुझे इसका बड़ा वर्जन नहीं मिला, so I bought this छोटू वर्जन, and this is in the shade 17M. And what I generally do is I mix these two lipsticks, क्योंकि सिर्फ ये लगाने पे थोड़ा washed out look आता है if I have not put you know foundation. Now the best part about these lipsticks are that ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा light weight होता है, तो आपके lips के साथ काफ़ी अच्छे से blend हो जाता है, and it feels really light. And आप कितना भी कुछ भी खा लो ये remove बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला guys. And the only downside is that it takes forever to dry guys. काफ़ी ज़्यादा time लगता है इसको dry होने में. So what I generally do is मैं पहले lip balm लगाकर ये lipstick लगा लेती हूँ, and then I do my eyes and you know highlighters and blush and all, and then तब तक ये dry हो जाता है तो I top it up with this in case if I've put foundation और मुझे कहीं जाना होता है. The next two lipsticks in this pouch are by Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, and the next one is actually Berry Recognize, and both are my favorite guys. मुझे generally pinks बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, but then Wet n Wild का ये जो pink है ये मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's very comfortable on your lips, and you know काफ़ी ज़्यादा ये भी लाइट वेट है. I generally go for lipsticks that are lightweight, जो मुझे feel ना हो कि मेरे lips पे कुछ लगा हो. So yeah, now these two colors are really very famous guys, and if not the Berry Recognize, this one is actually very famous, and I've seen bloggers raving about these lipsticks. And you know ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा brownish tone देता है, you know proper nude brown color जिसको बोलते हैं, ये वो color है, and this is definitely good for everyday use. Even if you're going to your office or your college or anywhere, definitely go for this lipstick guys. काफ़ी ज़्यादा lightweight भी है, plus इसका color is so good. Let me swatch this for you guys. Can you see? This is so good guys, and I'm actually gonna repurchase this because I've almost finished this one. Now the next lipstick in my pouch is this one by Matte Me, and this is very pretty guys. It's the pretty red color that you need in your life, and it's in the shade 402. And you know I was always a Ruby Woo person. मैं हमेशा से Ruby Woo यूज़ करती थी, but then I don't know क्या हो गया, या मेरी स्किन टोन में कुछ हुआ है या पता नहीं क्या हुआ है. Ruby Woo मुझे थोड़ा corally इफेक्ट दे रहा है, so I definitely recommend this as a proper red color. So definitely go for this one guys, and इसका texture भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and long lasting भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. I won't say कि ये thin है, like you know काफ़ी ज़्यादा blendable है. ये थोड़ा थिक है, बट देन रेड्स में यू हैव टू गो बोल्ड. देन रेड्स में यू नो आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद एक परफेक्ट रेड कलर मिलता है, एंड आई हैव फाउंड माइन. सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. आई लीव द लिंक डाउन बिलो. आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस वन फ्रॉम Nykaa, and it was for rupees 200 something if I am not wrong, and trust me guys, it is worth 200 rupees. ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So yeah, now the next lipstick in my pouch is again by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Modern Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade 19 Veronica, and it is actually really very good. And this brick red color is completely different from those blood red color guys. Let me swatch this for you guys. Can you see the color, guys? It's so good, and I actually love the Nykaa Morten Made collection because of the tip of its brush. It's actually very nice. Can you see it triangle shape होता है, तो it's very good for these inner corners and you know for this cupid bows. Next lipstick in my pouch is this basic Colorbar Bullet lipstick, and it's in the shade Bear. It's actually very pretty shade, guys. It's a very nice shade, and I've almost finished this one. And honestly ये मेरी लाइफ का पहला लिपस्टिक है जिससे मैंने इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, and also बिकॉज यू नो मेरे लिप्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, तो मेरे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट होता था बिकॉज यू नो बैक देन व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज में काफ़ी यू नो सिंपल रहती थी, नो लिपस्टिक्स, नो लाइनर्स, नथिंग. बट देन यू नो लिप पिगमेंटेशन की वजह से मुझे लिपस्टिक्स हमेशा से यूज़ करना पड़ रहा था बिकॉज मेरे पिगमेंटेशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं. सो यू नो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे से इसको कवर करता है, एंड आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेकअप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. जस्ट यू नो वन लेयर ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. I'll show you the shade so you can see yourself. Can you see? It's very pretty and काफ़ी skin like है इसका texture and color भी. हाँ थोड़ा सा you know shiny है. So what I used to do was I used to take a tissue paper and काफ़ी अच्छे से उसको डैप कर लेती हूँ, and then I put some white powder on my lip. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे से ये मैट फिनिश आ जाता था, एंड ऐसा लगता था दैट इट्स माई लिप कलर ओनली. ये मेरे लिप का ही कलर है. सो अभी तक ये मेरा गो टू लिपस्टिक है, गाइज. इट इज़ एक्चुअली माई फेवरेट लिपस्टिक, एंड मुझे अभी भी कहीं आसपास जाना होता है तो आई डेफिनेटली अप्लाई दिस वन बिकॉज यू नो मैट लिपस्टिक इज समथिंग जो आप हर जगह पे नहीं लगा सकते. एंड यू नो जब आपको क्विकली बाहर जाना होता है तो आपके पास इतना टाइम भी नहीं होता इतना कुछ करने का, तो डेफिनेटली दिस विल सेव यू. Now the next thing I can see in my pouch is this lip liner. It's by Wet n Wild, and it's their Wet n Wild gel lip liner crayon, and it's in the shade Got the Juice. मुझे exactly इसका प्राइस याद नहीं, तो I'll leave the link down below. You can check that out. And it's actually very pigmented, guys. And मुझे उस टाइम पे actually ये पिंक पर्पल शेड ही चाहिए था बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ लिप लाइनर पर्सन, गाइज. बट देन व्हेन आई बॉट दिस एंड आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस, मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. यू नो विद पिंक लिपस्टिक्स अगर आपके लिप लाइन्स पे लिपस्टिक रिमूव हो जाती है तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बुरा दिखता है, तो आई हैड टू बाय समथिंग जो यू नो पिंक्स एंड पर्पल्स के साथ जाए, एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली दैट सेम शेड. एंड कैन यू सी इट इज सो थिन, एंड आपके लिप्स को ये प्रॉपरली कवर भी करता है. सी I've actually lined my lips today also with this one just to show you guys. So yeah, if you want to buy a good lip liner जो affordable भी हो तो definitely go for this one. It is very good, guys. Now the last thing in my pouch is this one. Okay, so yeah, it's actually a lipstick but I use it for my contouring because of its color. इसका कलर काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है and contour के लिए मुझे ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. So it's by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Bullet lipstick in the shade 23M Hot Cocoa, and trust me guys, because of its shape, क्योंकि लिपस्टिक का शेप ऐसा होता है तो कॉन्टूर करने के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट होता है मेरे को. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी गुड, गाइज, एंड आई फील लाइक इट्स बेटर देन दोज कॉन्टूर स्टिक्स बिकॉज यू नो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा थिक होते हैं. लाइक जो उनका टॉप होता है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा थिक होता है, तो कॉन्टूर करने के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी होती है. वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा एरिया कवर करता है, एंड सिंस आई हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल सा फेस तो मेरे लिए ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट है. सो या now moving on to my last pouch, it has all my makeup brushes and also my miscellaneous things. So the first thing I see in, okay, khul jao please. Yeah, so the first thing that I see in my pouch is this eyelash curler, and I got this one from Club Factory if I am not wrong. And ये मैंने अभी नहीं लिया, काफ़ी टाइम पहले लिया. I think मुझे कुछ around 2 years हो गए इसको लिए हुए. And this is actually very good, guys. जिनको curled lashes पसंद है उनके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Now moving on to the next item, I have this Plum का sharpener, and I not only use this sharpener for my Plum kajal, but I also use this sharpener for my other lip liners as well. And yeah, it's actually very good, and it has a cover with this, so it's actually convenient. Now I actually use this BA Small के brushes, guys. These are actually very convenient to use, and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं, काफ़ी sturdy होते हैं. And these are all from BA Small, and काफ़ी अच्छा brand है. I feel like अगर आप affordable में जाना चाहो तो you can definitely buy these brushes. And starting from this one, so it's actually an angled brush. I use this one for my blush and also sometimes for my highlighter. And because of its angle, like can you see this angle, ये contour के लिए भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. So yeah, the next brush is actually my foundation brush, and I actually use this to powder my face and also for foundation. But I also use my beauty blender for my foundation, which is this. I know ये थोड़ा dirty है and I should clean this now. बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा हो चुका है ये. So yeah, now the next brush that I have is this one. It's a pointed brush and I use this for my concealer, especially for concealing my eye area, क्योंकि because of this shape ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा convenient होता है inner corners को conceal करने के लिए. So yeah. Now the next two brushes are these two brushes. I use these two for my eyeshadow guys. So this one is actually a fluffy brush जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है blending के लिए. The next one is actually a pointed one जो inner corners के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. And then I have this brush जो मैं lower lash line को smudge करने के लिए use करती हूँ to give this effect. Can you see? The next few things that I see in my pouch are these Q-tips guys. I always carry these Q-tips along with me. And कभी भी मुझे makeup करना होता है तो I make sure कि मैं ये Q-tips लेकर ही बैठूँ, because usually मेरे साथ क्या होता है, eyeliners मेरे हमेशा ऊपर नीचे होते हैं, तो these comes in handy. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है मुझे. एंड प्रॉपरली आईलाइनर को लाइन करने के लिए, या इवन इफ आप आई मेकअप कर रहे हो, आपको प्रॉपर शेप चाहिए, तो यू कैन रिमूव दैट एक्स्ट्रा कलर फ्रॉम this tip. And yeah, so that's about it guys. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what was there in my makeup bag, and I really hope you found something new to put in your makeup bag as well. Also let me know in the comment section below if you have any suggestions for me. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button to get a notification every time I post a new video. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram. The handles will be given somewhere here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.